does the set description for seem to suggest about planet
Oba, okay. Description. Let's look here. It's citing description.
Setting a matter with S-shaped planets parts.
Plants, okay. Plants. Planet. Okay. Plant. You see?
Planet.
Okay. A meadow with an S-shaped
planets, plants, and rocks, and planet.
Oba. Nana
uses to fix a spaceship and even reads
Wilfred's
control screen.
Okay, that is sighting, right? So
everything and Oba is colored yellow. Oba has many snakes living under its rocks. Many things and Oba have a snake-like shape.
Okay.
The creatures on Oba eat plants and rocks.
Okay, so which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay.
But why did the other most likely include these strange stage details, directions?
Okay, here.
Well,
Wilfred's
blinking lights are burst at once. His beeps turn into a
siren. Okay, like an alarm. Okay, why? Why does it? Okay.
To show that
Wilfred
is enjoying the exciting ride. To show that the spaceship is in serious danger. To show that Nella, David,
Alvin,
Nana, Elvin, and Wilfred need to hurry to planet Virgo to show that the astronaut storm is almost over.
Okay, do you know which one? Okay.
This the summit.
Yeah.
Look.
Okay, this part. Let's read the question.
What does
Opa's dialogue? Dialogue is how they talk to each other. Okay, dialogue. Okay, two people talk to each other. It's called dialogue.
Woohoo.
Okay.
Woohoo.
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 Okay, shows happiness or approval. Okay.
Woohoo.
Woohoo.
Oh.
We have to do it.
dialogue,
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 dialogue.
Okay. Yeah, I think most.
The conversation between two or more people.
Okay. Okay. That's
Will
it.
be E. Dialogue.
dialogue,
Can I spell it?
Dialogue. Dialogue.
Okay. What's that?
Yeah.
Now, okay. Dialogue. Discussion.
Discussion.
Conversation.
Talk.
Okay, that's dialogue. Okay. What does ops?
Dialogue most likely show about the
Citizens.
citizens of planet Earth.
Okay.
They do not have a lot of free time. They keep away from strangers.
Okay.
Keep away from strangers. They are helpful to for visitors.
Good.
They are extremely
Confident.
confident.
Okay. Okay. Do you know which one?
This one.
Okay.
Summit.
Yeah. Okay.
What do the stage describe? Directions show about
Alvin.
Alvin.
Okay, here is
Alvin smiled and his eyes light up. He points to
Oops.
fingers.
Okay. Yeah, opposite parts I can fix it. Even his finger look like snakes. Okay.
What
Alvin.
Alvin gets an idea from that. What Wilfred says.
Okay.
Alvin is confused by what Wilfred says. Alvin thinks, oops,
Oops.
looks funny. Alpha is trying to joke with oops.
Okay. Here actually need a little bit of Wilfred.
Wilfred whispering to
Alvin.
Alvin even his fingers look like snakes.
Okay. Alvin.
Alvin smiles and his eyes light up. He points to
Oops.
fingers.
Alvin.
Alvin actually
President.
Oops. And it looks like your finger might be just the tools we need. The tool we need.
Okay. So which one?
Evan gets an idea from that Wilfred. That what Wilfred says.
Okay.
This one.
Okay.
7.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. I think this is a new one.
This is
A new one. Okay. Let's read it this one.
what is the play about?
Okay. Maybe we read it.
2 kids are staying in a
Haunted. Okay, haunted. Some people say, oh, there's some ghost in that haunted house. Yeah, that's haunted. Okay.
Dialogue.
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 Discussion.
Discussion. Conversation. Talk.
Okay. Haunted. Okay.
Haunt.
Hunt.
Haunt.
Hunt.
Haunt.
Hunt.
Okay, can spell.
H-A-U-N-T. Hunt.
Okay. Ghost. Okay.
To visit or live in a place.
Okay. I think it's a ghost living the haunted. When they say a house is haunted, it means ghost living in that house. Okay. Spirit.
Hunted the whole house.
Okay. Okay, haunted.
Haunt.
Hunt.
Haunt.
Hunt.
Haunt.
Hunt. Okay. Okay, here. The 2 kids are staying in a
Haunted house and meet the ghost of an area. Old sea captain and great grandfather makes popcorn with his grandchildren while telling them ghost stories. Our grandfather tricks his grandchildren into doing chores by telling them a scary story about a ghost. The 2 kids explore their grandfather's old house and look for clues about whether the house is haunted.
Okay, let's read it. Begin from
The ghost of Captain.
Okay. Uncle Bay. It's a place. Uncle Bay. Just Uncle Bay. Okay. It's a place. I don't know. Uncle Bay. Okay. Captain Uncle Bay. It's a name. Okay.
Captain Uncle Bay. Cast.
Good.
Of
Characters. Justin.
A 10-year-old boy. Event.
Uncle Bay. Oh no.
Worked. Sink.